Late blight is the most destructive potato disease in the world. Farmers in developing countries lose an estimated $8 billion of potato crops each year to the disease and spend about $2 billion on agrochemicals trying to control it. Some farmers spray fungicides up to 12 times a season, which costs more than a quarter of the total value of their harvest. Fungicide use also poses risks to people and the environment. It can take more than 15 years to breed and release a late blight-resistant variety, more time than it takes the pathogen to evolve ways to overcome that resistance. Popular varieties that were late blight-resistant when they were released decades ago are now just as susceptible to the disease as any potato. Crop wild varieties might hold the key to accelerating the release of durably resistant varieties thanks to bioengineering. They may not produce food, but the wild relatives of cultivated crops have evolved in harsh environments where they've developed attributes such as drought tolerance or disease resistance. The International Potato Center, CIP, worked with partners to transfer 3 late blight resistance genes from 2 of the potato's wild relatives into 5 potato varieties popular in East Africa. Restricted field trials of those 3R varieties in Uganda showed that they were completely resistant to late blight without any fungicide applications, while other popular varieties planted in adjacent plots were destroyed by late blight. The 3R plants produced abundant harvests. These 3R potato varieties have the potential to increase farmers' profits by 40% and reduce the need for agrochemicals by more than 90%. Several years of laboratory and greenhouse assessments and field trials have shown that the 3R potato is safe for both human consumption and the environment. Those results are in a dossier that will be submitted to regulatory authorities with a request that it be released to farmers. As climate change and crop diseases threaten food production, genetic engineering technologies represent a critical tool for feeding a growing population. Innovations like the 3R potato can facilitate the production of more food on less land and with fewer inputs, to the benefit of farmers, consumers, and the environment.